How to create a video with AI using your own image. First, open Google and type runway into the search engine. Once you're in, you might already be able to insert a prompt. You'll need to register or log in first. To do so, click Get Started in the top right or the plus button at the bottom and then click Login. Create an account with an email address, using Google or Apple. If you already have one, click Login and log in. Great, now you're on the site. We can start creating the video. In the left menu, click Generate Video. Drag an image into this black box, or click inside to select one. Great, now we have a starting image. Let's move on to the prompt. Open Google and go to Chat. Let's ask Chat to write us a JSON prompt to create an advertising video for a clothing brand at a CrossFit gym. Copy the prompt, paste it below, and click Generate. With this site, you'll get 125 free credits. Each video will cost you 25 credits. Once you're done, you'll have to buy them. But don't worry. Write free credits in the comments if you want the link to the video on how to get unlimited credits. And here's the result. I'll show you another example. Keep in mind that these are very basic videos created with a basic prompt invented by Chat. To create professional videos, you need to specialize in creating perfect prompts. Like the video and follow the channel if this video was helpful to you.